Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am decorating a spread for Jenny. Jenny, thank you for being a patron again this month. She requested a horizontal spread using anything from the new Live Love Posh book. So I'm going to pull from here. I've been pulling a lot from here. This has been a highly requested book to pull from my patrons this month. But I totally get it because it's a gorgeous book. I don't think it's available to purchase right now. It's sold out pretty quick actually, but I think they're planning on doing a restock, so definitely check in on Live Love Posh's Instagram to keep up to date on when that comes back in stock. If I use it in a future video and it does come back in stock and I know it while I'm filming the video, I will mention that down in the description, but for the meantime I'll just have it linked down in the description with my code too. There might be, I'm not sure, but sometimes sites have a notify me when it's back in stock type of button you can click on there. Not sure if they do on Live Love Posh, but definitely check it out. All right, so yeah, I have this book. I've used, oh my goodness, so many themes from this book so far. Lots of fun themes in here. I really want to use this one because I think this one's really pretty. It feels like all the fall cozy vibes here. So yeah, I think I'm going to use this because I've been wanting to use this. I love the trees. They're so pretty. I love these leaves. Everything's so pretty. Oh, I actually need to cover this up because it's actually supposed to be a September spread, but I don't have any September pages. I will put a sticker over that says September. All right, so I'm gonna pull, actually, okay, the first one I'm gonna pull is this one because it's just really pretty. Just the trees. I love trees. And I believe she used this for journaling, which when I use the horizontal in the past, that's what I used this for. So I have two patrons who like to use this for journaling, but yeah, look how pretty that is right there. So that's basically what I'm going to do. I'm just going to cover this up too. Okay. We got a really cute house right here. Hold on, let me check the other houses. Ooh, this one's so pretty. I'm going to use this one. That one. And then we have these little scenes, like the inside of the house scenes. Love those. So we have one like, oh, this one looks comfy cozy with the books and then the pillows and the blankets. Like I would love to have a spot like that in my place. And then there's this one with the fireplace with all the pumpkins. We have a couch scene. Okay, I have a couple couch scenes to choose from, so I'm gonna choose this one. That one looks the coziest. So that one's gonna go on here. Let me go back to the trees. I don't know yet what color boxes I'm going to use because this is a very like orange spread, but I don't, oh, I ripped it, of course. I don't want to do like orange and black because that's very Halloween and I don't want it to look Halloween because it's not time for Halloween yet, even though I'm very tempted to pull out all my Halloween decor and put it out like now. I think I'm gonna go with Disney rules in my situation, at least Disneyland rules, because I believe at Disney World they already have their decor up for Halloween, I believe. But Disneyland, September 1st is when it switches over to Halloween. I'm actually going that day. So if Disneyland's doing it September 1st, so I think I'm gonna do it September 1st too. That's kind of what I'm leaning towards. Okay, I'm gonna stick this in the middle. But I think that's a good rule of thumb if you, it's okay to start decorating then. Because that's what I'm gonna start doing. Okay, so right now I'm just putting the boxes down because I don't know, or not the boxes, the decorative stickers down, because I don't know yet which boxes I'm going to use yet. That's kind of my little dilemma that I get to figure out. Do I put more trees over here? Let's see, maybe here. Okay, I have one little seam left. I don't think I've ever put this stuff down first and then figured it out after. All right, let me see in this book. Okay, I got lots of oranges. Do I want to stick with orange? It's gonna be very orange. I do like this. I don't know. Okay, let me see these quotes. I don't know. I'm gonna go look at a different book, go grab a different book to pull from. All right, I have a book that might work. I have big pastel boxes. I have a few options in here. So let's see. Okay, there's this like yellowy orange color. It's a lot more toned down. I do like this one because it's not like super orange or yellow. So yeah, I do like this one, but I also like this one too, which is an orange, but I feel, let me see in here. Oh yeah, it's way better than these oranges. So I'm gonna go maybe this route. They're more subdued yellow and orange color that I think will look better in this spread. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so we got some boxes. Yay for boxes and pretty colors. Although I did put this really crooked. I just can't. Okay, I can't. If I pull it, it's gonna rip. And that's the last thing I want to do. Okay, so I'm just putting boxes down. Now, these are big boxes, which actually I don't mind because I think they'll be good for journaling. Jeez, these are like glue to the page. I barely put it down and it's like stuck. Okay, let me grab this one. Let me grab some of the more of the orangey or the yellowy ones. Okay, let's see. Grab a big one over here. Okay, so orange. And let me get some more yellow. Oh, that's the wrong kind of yellow. Okay, this is better. I think that page was a little misprinted. That's okay. Might work for another spread. I like those thin boxes. All right. I think that's a good amount of boxes. I'm happy with that. All right, let me go back to this book and let's see what else I got in here. Maybe the leaves. I could throw in some leaves. Wait, hold on. I like the paper ones because they're a little bit more vibrant. I don't plan on clustering these, so if I don't plan on clustering, then these work very nicely. Just kind of scattered around. That's the look I'm going for. All right, so yeah, lots of pretty colors here that I can throw around the page. Nice. Kind of like this reddish one. That's pretty. And I like them coming off the page. So it's not taking up too much room in here, so I like that. Okay, let me cut this off here. I think this side looks pretty good. I think I just need one more on this side, so let's do this reddish one. It's a corner piece. Maybe this orangey one is cute. Okay. Cool. Love it. All right, now I need some like quotes and like headers and different things like that. So I have this book. Let's see how the colors are in here, because it's kind of hit or miss in this rainbow one, even though I do like the colors, but this is too yellow and this is too orange. Yeah, that's what I figured. It's gonna be too much for this spread. That's okay. I have other books. Let's see what else I got actually. Okay, so I have essential quotes. Oh, I think I might have something in here because I have, okay, not these. These, okay. So these are cool. They're like little quotes around the spread. This one says, "Stay patient and trust your journey." I'm gonna put it here. Stay true to you. Let's see, okay, love that. Plans or dreams in the making. I like these because they don't take up too much room, but they are nice to add to the spread. Yeah, okay, I think I'm gonna do one more. Let's just do this hello today up here. This box, there. Okay, that's good. Loving that. Next, let's see what else I can add. I'm probably gonna add in, okay, this is like random, but I have this book that I made. I believe this is from Minimal, no. What is this from? I didn't write the name. I forgot. This one says "Make Today Great." I'm just gonna stick that here. Okay. And I think the last thing I'm gonna do is add just a little touch of washi in a couple places. All right, so I forgot. I don't have the washi I wanted to add in here. I need to order more of it. It's a grid washi that I like to rip. And I don't have any more, which is interesting because I thought I did, but I don't. So I'm not gonna add any washi because all the other washi I have is too much for this. I just wanted like maybe a couple things on the boxes. But honestly, I think since I didn't add in black, I like it more of this just like monochromatic kind of orangey toned spread. So kind of happy with this. I don't think it needs washi. I am going to change this to the right month with some dated kind of stickers. But other than that, that's going to be my spread for Jenny. Jenny, I hope you like your spread. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next one.